Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Monday, January 25th. And we're going to talk a little bit about why we were sitting on our hands today in the trading room. And one of the main reasons is because we have FOMC rate decision coming up on Wednesday. Now, the FOMC rate decision is a big announcement. This is something you can do with any large announcement coming out. We expect the markets to chop, or a lot of times they will chop, going into a major announcement like the FOMC rate decision. And you can see kind of on a 5-minute chart what the bond market did since about 3 a.m. this morning. We rallied up and then we just went sideways and chopped up and down, up and down, up and down all day long. As of right now, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon and we're still chopping. So what you want to pay attention to is when these major announcements are coming out. And then what you want to do is you want to look at major swing highs and lows, okay, on an intraday basis. This is how you're going to determine whether or not a market is chopping. You wait for the major swing high and low, and then when you break out of the major swing high and low, do you get a close above or below it to continue a trend, or does it just immediately reverse, kind of like what we did today? We poke through it and immediately reverse, poke through it, immediately reverse, poke through it, immediately reverse. So as long as we stay range bound or inside the previous pivot high and low, the range of the previous pivot high to the pivot low, then we are in a consolidating market because of the definition of a trend. The definition of a trend is higher highs, higher lows for an uptrend, or lower highs, lower lows for downtrend. So especially going into major announcements, just pay attention to what the price action is telling you. And as long as that market is staying range bound and not committing to an actual breakout, then we want to just sit on our hands because there's no need to trade a choppy market. We make money when the market moves, not when it chops sideways. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Don't forget, if you haven't already done so, make sure you go to ValueCharts.com, and right there on the homepage, you can sign up for the free Value Charts Academy. All you got to do is put in your name and email. We'll send you all the links and all the videos. It's 10 hours worth of training for free, and it covers the foundation of the fundamental principles of being a successful trader, and some of the foundation helps setting that foundation for you to build on and grow on and become more successful. So go ahead, go to valuecharts.com, and it'll be right there on the homepage. All right, that's all I have for you for today, and until next time, happy trading.